Once upon a time, in a lush, emerald forest, lived a small, humble hedgehog named Humphrey. Known for his prickly exterior and timid demeanor, Humphrey was often overlooked by the other forest creatures. One day, a great flood swept through the forest, forcing all the animals to seek higher ground. Humphrey, however, remained calm and snug in his burrow, secure in his prickly shell. As the floodwaters receded, the other animals returned, each with tales of their harrowing experiences. Humphrey, on the other hand, shared a story of peace and safety. The forest creatures marveled at Humphrey's resilience and wisdom. They realized that his prickly exterior, once a symbol of his timidity, was now a testament to his strength and survival. From then on, Humphrey was no longer the humble hedgehog of the forest. He was the beacon of resilience, a symbol of survival, and a reminder that sometimes, the most unexpected can offer the greatest protection. In the end, the humble hedgehog taught the forest creatures a valuable lesson, that it is not always the size or strength of one's shell that matters, but the courage and wisdom within.